coloring competition. Mashallah. Show me some own. Mashallah. This is my own. Not yet done. Show you the result. So this is the final look. This is my This is lentil soup. This is banana, green apple and red apple, water, cup of water, and this is coffee kettle, and then it's coffee inside, and this one coffee cup, coffee inside. Yeah, she was waiting for me. She said I finished it. And this is samosa, and this is dates. My table is plain table, white with white cloth. This is table for iftar. And the Wisam, what's this? Which type of soup did you prepare? Which soup? Brown lentils with a colorful bowl. Yeah. Miss Monique, which soup did you prepare? Also others? Others soup? You prepare others soup? My color of my bowls is kind of peach and brown mix. Inshallah. And this is chicken with cucumbers, 2 slices of cucumber and then lemon. And this is dates. Yeah, they are there. So fam, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you are fine. So this my fridge. I've stopped working for a few days now, and I realized the freezer side is just cooling, not freezing, and the fridge side down there is just, not working, but the light is on. So I informed my husband, and he's like, I should off it. I did that and then plug it back and still the same. So he told me maybe it's the compass or blah blah blah. So he came home yesterday, and today he was like, okay, then he opened it. Yeah, I'll show you the video. So he opened the back and it was freezing. So till now I'm still waiting. You can see there's still ice here, still defrozing. After complete defrozing, then I'll cover it back with you guys. So welcome. Thank you. So far it's easy to get EM money ATM card. If you are here in UAE, it's easy to send money to each other. So they just delivered this for me now. So let's unpack and see what it looks like. This bag so hard. Wow, mashallah. This is EM money. Can you see that? EM money? Yeah. So let me open. You can see my name is there. It's easy. You can through the machine, wherever the machine we used to buy card like airtime, there is e-money through there, so you can send money to someone. Just simple process, like you want to buy airtime, you can send money for someone who is here in the UAE, having UAE having a money app on his phone, so you can use your normal number. So this is it. It's ATM, so you can use this to cash money in a ATM machine. Okay, so that's the good side of it. So if you don't know, go and get yours now. Just download money on your phone, then register and start using money to transfer money for your loved ones here in the UAE. Yeah, it's like an account number. Okay, so you can save money too on it and use it whenever you want to use it. And this card also, I'm sure you can use it to buy things. If you save your money there, you can see it's the same as a same card. So it's easy, all right? It doesn't require how much you're taking your salary, blah blah blah. No. Assalamu alaikum. Hi fam. Welcome to another vlog. So today I'm here to hang my bills that I'm selling. Yeah, alhamdulillah, I started today. So my co-workers bought some for me. Like they bought it from me, alhamdulillah. I'm so grateful. Almost it's 11 pieces. It's left to just one pieces and it to be 1 dozen, the one they bought. So I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful. Yeah, alhamdulillah. So let's hang the rest and put it on hanger. This I got this hanger. So this one is light brown. So this video is not been filming. Subhanallah, ya maishukum. Astaghfirullah lazim. My phone is full and I've been deleting some things already. So